How to use virtual debit cards in Relay Bank. Wait, are you still using physical debit cards for all your online subscriptions and vendor payments? Do you know how much risk that exposes your primary business account to? Look, if you use Relay Bank, there's a much smarter, safer, and faster way to manage these expenses. I'm talking about virtual debit cards. I've been using Relay's virtual cards for everything from our Google Ads spend to our monthly SaaS subscriptions, and it has completely changed how we handle security and budgeting. Here's exactly how I do it and how you can start today. Step 1. Setting up your virtual card. First, log into your Relay account. Head over to the Card section on the left-hand menu. You'll see an option to create new card. Click that. Now, you have two main choices, a virtual card or a physical card. Select Virtual Card. Give your card a clear name. For example, I have one named Google Ads and another called Recurring Software. This is crucial for tracking later. Next, you must link it to one of your existing checking accounts within Relay. This is where the funds will be drawn from. Step 2. Setting limits and controls. This is where the security and budgeting power comes in. Don't skip this. Relay lets you set two specific controls on your virtual card. Transaction limits. I always set a per transaction limit. If my monthly subscription to a tool is $$99, I set the limit to $$105. This instantly prevents accidental or fraudulent charges that are much higher than normal. Monthly limit. For my Google Ads card, I set a strict monthly spend limit of $$2000. Once that limit is hit, the card declines all further transactions until the next month, acting as an automatic budget control. Once you've set your limits, review the details and hit Create Card. It's instantly active. Step 3. Using the card details. Now that your card is live, click on it in the Card section to reveal the details you need. You'll see the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code. I then copy these details and input them directly into the vendor's payment portal, whether that's for a new software subscription, an Amazon purchase, or updating the payment method for a marketing platform. Step 4. Tracking and management. The best part is the tracking. When you go into the transactions of the checking account you linked, every purchase made with that specific virtual card is labeled with the card's name, like Google Ads. This gives you immediate, line-item clarity on where your money is going, without having to dig through notes or spreadsheets. If you ever suspect a vendor is getting flaky or you just want to kill a subscription, you don't have to freeze your main business account. You simply go back to the card settings and click Deactivate. The card is instantly useless, but your primary business account remains safe and operational. That is the entire process, secure, fast, and gives you granular control over your business expenses. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.